Nature is my temple, so pure, so alive and so beautiful. This is how God looks like. His face is fascination, his expression is ecstasy, his smell sensuality. What a magic! There is nothing, nothing, emptiness. When does the miracle happen? Where's the seed? Is it death or life we suddenly appear from? The crystal clear silence, the nothingness, source of creation is always there and not there, cannot show up, can never disappear. Timeless, spaceless, our essence. We are just the temples, miraculous, delightful temples, full of secrets and surprises. Plants are the dress, flowers are the jewelry, animals the joy of playful life-giving essence. What a feast! Coming, playing, disappearing, dreaming. Never came, never gone, just dreaming, always awaken. Losing into the trees, hugged by the air, touched by water, loved by the sun, refreshed by the rain, feeling alive. Seeing the colors of nature as balm for my soul, hearing the birds singing, let grow flowers in my ears. So smooth, adorable music, transparent, a dance of senses. A miracle comes true in every moment, just for fun, just to celebrate itself. Everything is possible, there's everything, wish, imagine, trust. God flows, lighter than water and air. Dying and rebirthing the same time in the same moment, forever. Changing forever, what never can be changed. The guitar net of oneness. The cool water, the dragonfly, the stars mirroring in the sea. I am there. I look at my body, I see my hands, I move my hands. I can't believe it, but I feel it, to be materialized. To be the miracle of life, to be the gift, to be alive. I feel it. I can get lost, a forest can burn, all creation disappear, was never there, turns to nothing and all, and I was always there, the divine, because this is my nature.